Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel, and thank you for joining me tonight for another guided meditation to help you wrap up your day and relax for the evening and to hopefully give you some better quality of sleep. And today, what I'm managing is having a lot of inner distractions. And sometimes you're going to sit down to meditate and, maybe you've been in the middle of something, maybe you've had a really, really busy day, or you've got a really busy day tomorrow, and you know that you're going to have a lot of either mental distractions or emotional distractions. And that's what I have today, as I in the middle of a project and I still have some of it left to do even, before I go to sleep. And I know that's going to be on my mind. So that's kind of going to be the meditation for today. And I just want to preface that this applies to all of my videos, that if you do not have this particular condition, like this particular environment or emotion or whatever I might be talking about that evening, that is okay. This meditation will still work for you. Nothing that I do will be so specific that it just won't apply to you at all. But not only with this series do I want to provide you with a daily evening meditation, but also to show you how somebody manages a daily practice amongst the myriad of life conditions. How do you meditate when you're tired, when you've got a headache, when you're busy, when you don't feel like it? All of those things are going to come up for you, and I hope to give you some guidance on how to navigate those. And my mind is really busy tonight. So if you're just starting in on this meditation series, all you need are two things: a comfortable seat, and that could be a cushion on the floor, a chair, sitting outside on the ground, and two, a place with as few distractions as possible. And I know right now, with people quarantining at home with lots of other people, that might be difficult, but try to find even just a small spot where you can close the door and try to block out a little bit of that external distractions while you meditate. And so if you have your comfortable seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. So then just close your eyes and start focusing on your breathing. Just breathe slowly and deeply. If you do have a lot on your mind or in your heart, then you might find that you were breathing pretty quickly and shallowly before, and this feels different. To take slow, deep breaths. So bring your awareness to the act of breathing. Notice how it feels physically to breathe. How does it feel in your nose, in your throat, in your lungs, in your stomach, in your back? Or if you're breathing through your mouth, I or exhaling? How does it feel in your mouth? Bring your attention to all of those. And if thoughts are swirling in your mind or emotions in your heart or your belly, then try to let go of those and really pay attention to your breathing. As thoughts arise, exhale them away and come back to your breath. You can still come back to those thoughts after your meditation. As soon as you notice yourself thinking about something, then let it go. Come back to your breathing. And you may have to do that over and over and over, and that's okay. Thoughts during meditation aren't inherently bad. We just don't want to run away with those thoughts. We don't want to spend the majority of our meditation thinking. Our practice is to notice that we're thinking and let it go. Your inner chaos can also be emotional. Maybe there's some heartache or frustration that is rising up for you. Maybe you feel that in your heart area or your stomach area. And also, as you notice that it's there, as you exhale, just try to release it. Just try to let go of it for a few minutes during this meditation. You could be so inundated with thoughts or feelings that you feel like you're not getting much out of the meditation, but believe me, you are. Even if you're constantly noticing that you're thinking and you let it go, like that is a valuable practice. To notice that you're thinking, let it go, come back to your breathing. It's an extremely valuable practice. It's important that during the day we try to give our minds a break from thinking. Our brains can be addicted to thinking and imagining and daydreaming. And it's nice to give it a break from that. And to continue to come back to the physical experience of breathing. And we're going to take several more slow, deep breaths as we wrap up our meditation today. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today for another meditation. And I hope this was valuable to you. And I've started to label the meditations in YouTube, so maybe you're not experiencing mental distraction or inner distraction today, but you are later on. Then you can go back and search the channel and find the one that you do want to sit with. So I'm going to be basically creating a big library of experiences that you may be having and you may be dealing with during meditation. So if you haven't already subscribed, then make sure to subscribe so that you'll always have access to this library of meditations. And I hope today, after this meditation, that your brain is feeling a little calmer, a little less chaotic, and, even if you still have things to do tonight, that you can come back to them with a more focused and calm mind. So thanks again for joining me today, and I wish you a good evening and a wonderful day tomorrow. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again tomorrow night.